Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who these are from. And it feels kind of like a mixed bag of tricks. So we got cross stitch, and we got a diamond painting. Alright, these are from NewCraftDay, and I guess since the diamond painting's up on top, we will go with it first. It was $7.79. It is a 30 by 60. It got stuck in the bag there. Oh man, really? Do not like these plastic bags. I do not. Okay, go away. There we are. Alright, so, preface this a little bit. I saw this in cross stitch and diamond painting, and I actually originally ordered it in cross stitch, and they told me that it would be a couple weeks before it arrived, so I got it in the diamond painting. And it is the purple dragon. I told you there was a blue dragon, and then there was this purple one. So, yeah. Get everything's falling apart here. And I'm sure there's a lot of 310 black. Yes, of course there is. Let me bring you out. Okay, you're just not doing it. There we go. Alright. So, as you can see, the background is all black, and then you have several shades of purple. There are 20 colors in this. And it's just kind of a long and skinny diamond painting. Yeah, so it's not very wide. And I'm not going to remove the plastic, you know, and get it all to lay flat, because, yeah, it's going to take a hot moment in a bigger space than this desk. But it is very sticky. Take my word for it. But I just thought the colors were beautiful. So I don't know what it will look like in the diamond painting, inverse to the cross stitch. So we'll see. Sometimes the details are just not as great. 20 colors, so there's a lot of colors here. And they're all in crinkle bags. Let me just set that up out of my way. And flip it. Where is it? Yeah, there's a little bit of 310. Now, each one of these has the product number and the, sorry, I got a little close, didn't I? The product number, and then the number that's on the actual thing. So, I don't know. This might have been kind of a futile experiment. But we'll look at the colors. That looks like my favorite. It is. It's, nope. No, it's not. It's 3837. So there are two of those. You got some pinks in various shades. Probably some 939. Yep. 823. Various shades of blues and purples. But that whole background is 310. Got some lilacs, some grays. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of 310, and I have no idea how many are in there. I can't even remember anymore. But it's got some lovely colors, some lovely purples, so it'll be interesting to see how detailed it is, being as tiny as it is. Yeah, so we'll see. We will see. I'm just gonna fold this up. It also comes with a toolkit. Yep. We're just gonna give it a roll, and then I can set it someplace else so it won't go flop. And open. So, yeah, it might turn out like the tiger that I got that was in the blue and the golds. I didn't like it in diamond painting. I mean, I didn't like it in cross stitch. And I got it in a 50 by 40, I think, or 50 by 60 in cross stitch. Yeah, the colors just, they needed to be metallic, that gold. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. And that would be a diamond painting that I would start the dragon just to see how the detailing looked and everything. Yeah, before I go to putting all that 310 black in there. Alright. So the next thing I have, they called them bluebells, I think. Aren't those pretty? Let's get it out. It's a cross stitch. And it was $7.79 too. Does it say on there how big? No. Sometimes they say how big it is on the actual deal. Oh, get up there. Yep, get in their spot. It's a DIY cross stitch. And let me bring you back out. Oh, for pity more. Thank you. You play again. Isn't that pretty? It's just gorgeous. I love the teals and the turquoises and the shades of blue and that butterfly. It's just awesome. And I don't know what that background's going to be, so your guess is going to be as good as mine. Take a guess. It's either 939, 823, 310 black. Yeah. It's one of those. And it does come with paper pattern. Paper pattern will match your canvas. It has 25 colors. It has no 310 in it. It does have 550 purple. My favorite purple. It has 823 blue and 939. And, yep, and no 3865. So there's no white. They're just using like a light blue or a light, almost said turquoise. Light blue or light purple for your whites. And it looks like it's just confetti riddled. Now that background is 939. Yeah, but we knew it was going to be dark, so it's like, just get over it. It'll be fine. So look at those colors. So it comes with an entire hank of number 18. Yep, number 18 is a 939. And nope, there's no more over here. So just one hank of 939. Does have the product number that is on the canvas. Oh, did I tell you it was a 40 by 50, 129 by 173. Woo, I thought it was going to fall off. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. There's that 550 purple. But it has teals and dark blues and blue violets and lavender. Yeah, just beautiful colors. I'm going to get a hold of this so we can wrap it all up in one so we won't lose it. It does come with 2 needles. Now this is one of those kits that does not come with a tool kit. It just comes with 2 needles. Just beautiful. I mean, it's printed very nicely. It's very easy to read, but it is confetti, poof, right in the middle. Yep, all of it. The only easy part I see about this is the background. Yeah. But, yeah, it's very well printed. It does have a bit of a surged edge right here, so let's give it a measure. Doesn't look very long, does it? It is 49 centimeters, so it's 1 centimeter shorter than it said, by 39, going that way as well. Actual picture size is 15, little over almost 15 and a half. Let's go there. Or 39 centimeters by 29 centimeters or 11 and a half. So 11 and a half by what? 15. You could get that in an 11 by 14 frame if you really wanted to. Yes, you could. So that's very nice. I like that. I love the colors. But yeah, it's going to take a hot moment. And it's not too big. It's nice for summer. It just fits in your lap. It doesn't cover your legs all the way to the floor, you know, or anything weird like that. So, yeah. Now, the next one was $11.04. And it is a DIY as well. Get it out of the crinkly bag. Actually, I thought this was bigger. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those flowers. You got roses and something else and something else, and yeah, they're just a nice look of all those flowers. And I think the colors will be great. It's going to be full coverage, I'm sure of it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to put you back up. Alright, let's take a look at... It's here somewhere. I know it is. Neither one of these were serged all the way around. Okay, this one kind of goes oblong. So it is a 70 by 40. This is your product number. This will match your canvas. But oh my goodness. It looks, wow. Okie doke. Yeah, it's got 30 colors. It's got a little bit of 310. Some 550 purple. 666 red. No 823. Does have 939. Does have 3865 for your white. So I'm not sure. What is that yellow? 3770. It's kind of a pale yellow. I guess we'll see it here in a minute. Okay. Hang on. This is one of those that they put all the threads on the thread card. Very pretty. Very green. There's kind of a pale pink. There's another pink, but it's a little bit darker. Then you have that off-white color. And there is a bunch of that, whatever I said that number was. 3770. And your 3865. And they put 1174 on this. They just wrote it with a marker. So that way it keeps it distinguished. So very nice colors. Very nice. Let's take a look, excuse me, at that canvas. And we're going to have an avalanche soon. And like I said, this goes this way. Now, there was no toolkit in this one either. So, I got nothing. There are 3 needles there, actually. And it has a nice big key. It does have a salvage edge over here, but it's not hurting anything. You know. And it's fairly stiff fabric. But it's not nearly as big as I thought it was going to be. I was like, oh my goodness, yeah. Let's take a look. It is, the whole thing is 70 centimeters, which is 27.5 inches. And this is 38.5 centimeters, or 15 inches. Actual picture size is 29 centimeters, or almost 11.5 by itch. My skin is so dry. Okay. We'll just wing it. 59 centimeters or 23.5. So it's not too big. Not too big at all. I just thought the colors were beautiful. And you know me, I'm a sucker for flowers and all that. And all the little doodaddies. But, yeah. This one was $11.04. So, and very nicely printed. Both of them were very easy to read. They're both 11 count. So, yeah. But it's got a lot of background. But they've interspersed 819, which is, I don't know, it looks like a pale as you can get green with that other pale color. So at least you're not having to do one whole area, you know, like all this would be like, we'll call it 3865 or whatever number it is. Yeah. So yeah, it goes a little bit better. And there's even a pink symbol in there. And that is 963, which is a pale pink. So I think they've used pale green, pale pink, and pale yellow for all that in the background. Just kind of a muted, not muted color look to kind of make it look good. But yeah, I don't see anything wrong with this kit. Nice, easy to read. Love it. Yeah. Awesome. Have to start that one soon too. You know how it goes. We either start one thing a week or we start 10. So it might be a 10 week. Now, NewCraftDay has diamond painting and cross stitch. They also do paint by numbers. They have tools and accessories for all of that. They do custom. I'm not sure what they do custom in, you know, specifically. And they have also no separate Joy Sunday section. And they do have a lot of sewing crafty type things, you know, as well as all the diamond painting crafts that you can do. That has just exploded in the past 2-3 years, you know. All the stuff on, I'll call it plexiglass for whatever it is. Yeah, wonderful. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for sending me these beautiful kits. Love them all. Thank you, everyone, for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.